See it now?
Yeah.
See where that's where it's ruptured at?
Yep.
And then that's where the seat clamp is at. Take that one off. And they have another one back here. I'm gonna take this one off so you can find the right size.
You think Advance will have it down here?
Yeah, you just gotta get the right size.
Alright, so luck, it doesn't look like it's anything that's gonna fucking explode.
Very first light, Chief. Stars come through. Sharks in order.
Definitely needs a little bit trimmed off. Oh, that sucks.
Oh shit. What did that?
I don't know.
Go away, these.
Fuck!
I like that.
Hey!
I like that.
Hey!
I like that.
Come on!
I like that. I
Alright,
like that.
for all of you out there, it looks like it's just a dry rotted fuel line, hoping that's all it is. This thing sat for a while, but these vans are kind of a dime a dozen, so anything that I imagine I'm gonna need for parts,
I like that. 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 I like that.
no fucking way. Is that really it?
I like that. 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 I like that.
So this is our ride for today. I wish we would have had this when we were picking up fucking plywood. I didn't know they had this. You see what I mean about how they have the most random fucking vehicles parked at their house?
Gutter guy.
We wouldn't have had to cut the plywood down before leaving Home Depot. It probably would have saved us like 30 arguments.
I like that. 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 like this. I like this. I like this.
That'll work.
You see. Wheelbarrow.
Hey! All terrain! Were you waiting? You waiting on somebody? Come on. Yo, the way he skipped limp. I mean,
You gonna give it up?
I mean, yes?
Give your ball.
Okay, destroy it.
Yo, I'm gonna watch him today though.
He's playful.
I brushed him today and he's just been sprinting around.
His eye feels good. Eye feels great.
I just could brush him every day.
Yeah. Yeah. I love Delicia's dog, that fucking golden retriever. Okay.